On Monday, a fellow at the Makerere Institute of Social Research, Dr Stella Nyanzi, undressed to her knickers, protesting the locking of her office.
Mahmood Mamdani is accusing me, is alleging that I'm not doing my work.
Thereafter, Makerere University Vice Chancellor Professor Dumba Sentamo promised to set up a committee to investigate the circumstances that led to that embarrassing incident.
We are dealing with a problem, and I think it will be okay. Our concern is that she doesn't want to teach on the PhD program, and she's saying that the letter of appointment was stating research fellow to be a research. But then we know that the director can always assign extra duties.
In a media statement released on Wednesday afternoon, Professor Dumba released the names of the 8-member committee and its terms of reference. The committee will be chaired by Professor David Justin Bakibinga, who is a professor of commercial law in the School of Law, Professor Joseph Y. Timugisha, professor of biomathematics and principal of the College of Natural Sciences, Associate Professor Julius Chikoma, Dean of the School of Psychology, and Associate Professor Christopher Mbazira, Coordinator of the Public Interest Law Clinic at the School of Law. Others are Dean of the School of Women and Gender Studies, Dr. Josephine Ahekire, Miss Naume Chichoncho, Legal Officer in the Makerere University Legal Directorate, Stock Chambers, Henry Nsubuga, Manager of the Makerere Counseling and Guidance Center, and Director of Human Resource, Mary K. Tezikara. The committee was given 8 terms of reference, including establishing the cause of the dramatic events of Monday when Dr. Stella Nyanzi stripped to her knickers, investigate the genesis of the disagreement between Dr. Nyanzi and the Executive Director of the Makerere Institute of Social Research, Professor Mahmood Mamdani, and the extent to which they have been disrupting each other's mandate. Other grounds include ascertaining the working conditions at the Institute, establishing the assets at the Institute and their usage to staff and non-staff members, and establishing the reporting structure and assignment of duties to MISA staff members. In an interview with NTV, Professor Mamdani said he will not cooperate with the probe committee since Professor Dumba, who set it up, is conflicted as an uncle to Dr. Stella Nyanzi. He also wants Dr. Nyanzi transferred from MISA and the committee's terms of reference developed after consulting MISA management, staff and students.
I'm not willing to be complicit in it. If this process continues and if the university does not give visible indication that they are willing to support this program, I will resign.
The committee will present its report on Friday, and thereafter the University Appointments Committee will pronounce itself on the findings on Monday, 25th April. Meanwhile, the University of Michigan, one of the funders of Makerere Institute of Social Research, has pledged to continue financing the institute despite the standoff and the striptease incident. Habad Ziwa, NTV.